So guys, it's time to do a break because I think we've seen a lot of content, theory, and a little bit on application. We've seen the friction factor for laminar flow, the friction factor for turbulent flow, the friction factor with equations and so on, the Moody's diagram and Darcy's factor, and I think it's a lot of information, so we should make a break. Let's make clear what we've seen. We've seen types of flow, laminar, transient and turbulent flow, why we need the friction factor to describe a friction pipe in the pipe, and we've seen the diagrams used to calculate the friction factor and equations. But what is this for? We want to calculate this value right here, and as you can see, this value is not the friction factor per se. Nope. So how do we calculate this value right here? That's good because we already know the friction factor, and friction factor is needed to calculate this value. And this is what we're going to see after this break, how to calculate the energy. Not anymore the friction factor, which is a dimensional. We're going to calculate eventually the energy lost, which is joules per kilogram, also known as meters to the second power divided by second to the second power. And eventually the total energy, okay? So in my opinion, please guys, pause, relax, check out the previous content, and then continue with the energy loss due to pipe water. This was a free preview. You want to get full access, go to my incompressible flow course. The link is in the description of the video. You will get all access. Not only that, you get a very straightforward, user-friendly interface. So for instance, you were analyzing or studying pumps, you have it here, the pump block, and then you have the sections. If you're, for example, studying the types of pumps, you can go here, and you have all the classes right here. Not to mention that you also have introduction and conclusion of every one of these. So for instance, if you were studying positive displacement pumps, the video is right here. If you were studying positive displacement pumps in rotatory and reciprocal are also included here. Centrifugal pumps, which is a very important topic in this course, you have it right here.